हैप्पी वैलेंटाइंस डे. जो कपल है उनके लिए हैप्पी वैलेंटाइंस, जो लड़की है उनको हैप्पी वैलेंटाइंस, और जो लड़के हैं उनके लिए हैप्पी इंडिपेंडेंस डे. सिंगल्स को पूछो कितना दर्दनाक.
Same. Everybody has asked me what your Valentine's Day plan. I said, if you have one, can I join? I said, I don't mind joining in, considering.
Should I actually throw the biggest singles party?
Yeah.
Please, I think it'll be
That
fun.
is so much fun.
Please. Dekho, you see how much we care for all the single people out here.
I think we should throw a singles party after a marriage is done. After party is all for all the single.
Why are you guys after me?
If you're missing out on love, don't find love. Don't go looking for it because it's right here. And yeah, I mean, yeah, that's what I do.
Remind me of Keanu Reeves when they ask, if you don't fight for your love, what kind of a love lover are you? Vibe hai. A social media soft launch or keeping it completely secret and only for you.
Keeping it completely secret only for me.
Yeah. Second, keeping it secret only for me. Sing for a jazz club.
समझा दीजिए ये यूनिसन में आंसर क्यों था, बता दो यार. देख लो आप केमिस्ट्री, देख लो ना.
पहले तो बोल.
Because यार हम लोग हमेशा ड्रेस अप होते हैं हमारे किरदारों के लिए, but it's fun to dress up for your partner and just take him or should take his respective for a jazz
Jans. It's a nice word actually. Jazz plus dance is jans.
dance like
yeah, and just
jazz. Oh,
just enjoy, because music is something that brings two people closer, and it's considered to be very romantic as well.
I completely
Pizza खा के क्या
I appreciate some efforts. Yeah, like it's nice to like take someone out and like on a nice night where you can dance, and then later on just pick her heels while we are walking on the street back to
Oof, हमारा green flag. Hello everybody, I'm Rudrani and happy Valentine's Day. प्यार लेके आ रहे हैं इस मौसम में, इस एनवायरनमेंट में फिर से दोबारा मेरे बहुत ही प्यारे, बहुत ही टैलेंटेड कलाकार. Thank you for doing this. Hello.
Thank you, Rudrani.
Happy Valentine's Day.
Happy Valentine's Day to you too.
मुझे सबसे क्लीशे सवाल पूछना है, पर मुझे लगता है हमेशा जवाब अलग होता है. आपके लिए प्यार को आपने डिफरेंट स्टेजेस में कैसे समझा है? Maybe when you were 10 years before this, or as a young girl, younger version of you compared to today. क्योंकि मुझे लगता है आपके किरदारों का परिभाषा भी अलग होगा. आई एम श्योर आप लोग का भी है. You can do it from their lens as well.
I think मेरे लिए प्यार जो था, जब मैं 10 साल पहले जब पहला प्यार हुआ था तो जुनून था. उसके बाद जब मुझे एक्टिंग करना था लेकिन मैं जिनके साथ था वो नहीं, तो एक कहीं ना कहीं कैद फील हुआ. देन आई फाइनली फाउंड माई सेल्फ. एंड अब मेरे लिए प्यार की परिभाषा ये है कि वो एक सुकून की तरह है. मैं सुकून ढूंढ रहा हूँ.
Beautiful. I love that. रुनाल, इतने बार ये आंसर किया होगा, अब मुझे लगता है इसका जवाब होगा आपके पास.
यार उस वक्त तो प्यार कभी सोच के तो नहीं करते थे, बस प्यार हो जाता था.
बिल्कुल.
आज जब पीछे मुड़ के देखती हूँ तो शायद उस इंसान का उस वक्त के लिए साथ लिखा, मतलब like he said it out, सुकून
Yeah.
is what we all looking for. So yeah, जो कि maybe I didn't have it in my previous relations.
And how do you look at love today? Understanding love today?
Yeah, it's beautiful. Love is everything.
Runal has always been a self-proclaimed very romantic person.
Yeah, very.
Including Siddhant. So I love that both of you are doing a film like this, because I feel like you're
Self-proclaimed romantic person.
she
She is for sure.
Yeah, but you also जो ऐसा इंसान जो इतने टाइम तक पोइट्री और पोएम्स और रैंट्स और रैप्स लिखता है, it has to come from a place of understanding love. And I think you write sometimes very deep things.
I think it's coming from a place of not understanding love.
Really?
That's why the
वो भी चलेगा.
there's a curiosity to understand what
But
it
the
truly
fact
means.
that you're looking to understand love tells me you're romantic. है कि नहीं, Runal?
Absolutely.
I think so, maybe.
Own it, Siddhant.
I'm just a curious guy who wants to understand life, and love is a huge part of life.
We are romantic. That's fine.
Very, very romantic.
We are
Hopelessly romantic people.
Before I go on to even do more fun segments, मुझे ये जानना है कि मुझे लगता है प्यार हर किसी के लिए मुश्किल है. आई वुडंट वांट टू से एज एक्टर्स इज डिफिकल्ट, पर मुझे लगता है कि यहाँ मुश्किलें अलग इसलिए है क्योंकि आपको हर इमोशन, हर स्टेज प्यार का सबके सामने कभी कभी करना पड़ता है. कभी कभी आप उसे प्रोटेक्ट करने की कोशिश करते हो. When you become popular, when you become actors, how have you in your life tried to protect that romantic love for yourself by also trying to understand how will you cope through it, especially as people जो जिनकी पूरी जिंदगी वहाँ है, right, and everything you're doing is being written about, but you are also a human being and you want to have that partner and you want to celebrate it.
I'm in transit right now, so once I reach there, like Sid said in his previous
On the way.
I'm on the way. Once I reach there, then I'll find out ways to protect it. So जो चीज़ है ही नहीं उसके बारे में मैं क्या
You're saying you're not in love.
I
And
am
finding
in love. Yeah, I'm on the verge of finding love.
Okay, interesting.
I would like to protect my private life, even though if I'm in love or not in love, either ways. And yeah, I mean, if it happens, I would like to protect it more.
Sure. Let me tell you, it must be so difficult, right? The entire thing of.
That's what I'm saying. We will know how difficult it is once we find love.
But I mean, you've been through it, no? Otherwise, also, like he's.
It's not, I mean, I would say difficult. It's just a choice, I would say. You can always choose to not be very protective about it, and it's easy. People accept. What else will they do? But for me, right now, the goal is to do greater things right now, and if somebody comes along the way who understands that. But for some years, I don't want my love life to be the highlight of any kind of titles or media articles. I just want my work to actually speak for that. And eventually, I would love to, you know, when I definitely know that I'm going to be spending this life with this person, I would love to front it. Why not?
Same.
Fair enough. Anyways, the fact that you're sitting here and promoting all your Valentine's Day plan that people had predicted will happen is anyways not happening. It is clearly going to happen through promotion.
Let's be hopeful. We still have 2 days to go.
2 दिन में किसी की शादी पे बनने उसे.
Arey, you never know, yaar.
Yeah.
क्या 2 दिन में how is it even? I know you're saying it as a joke. I just want to say everybody, it's a joke. But yeah, there you are. So it's very clear.
Please खाना खा के जाना.
खाना खा के जाना शादी. या सबको बुला रहे हो. 14th Feb अगर आपका Valentine's Day plan
नहीं 20th Feb.
20th Feb को करना.
नहीं मेरी शादी हो रही है या नहीं वो आपको पता चलेगा 2 दीवाने साहब.
वो I like it. Okay. Fun games. You all have done this throughout, but I will see.
Yeah.
How it turns out. Okay, the first one is this or that. ठीक है, बहुत simple है, as it says. आप choose करना, but you will have to give me a one-line answer why you chose it. प्यार का मौसम है, प्यार का weekend है, तो प्यारी प्यारी बातें ही करने वाले हैं. Okay, let's go. Are you ready?
Singles को पूछो कितना दर्दनाक.
Same. Everybody has asked me what your Valentine's Day plan. I said, if you have one, can I join? I said, I don't mind joining in, considering.
Should I actually throw the biggest singles party?
Yeah.
Please, I think it'll be
That is so much fun.
Please. देखो, you see how much we care for all the single people out here?
I think we should throw a singles party after a marriage is done. After party is all for all the single.
Why are you guys after me?
Bichare, no, Yala, we love you so much. It's just teasing you. Okay, and also you're a sport, so probably that is why. Okay, ready.
Yeah.
This or that, जैसे मैंने कहा. Okay. Midnight bike ride or sunrise yoga date?
Obviously midnight bike ride.
आपका हो सकता है.
यार वो सुमन तक पहुंचा नहीं होगी सनराइज योगा डेट.
I actually don't mind yoga date.
है ना? See?
मैं रात को सुबह आऊंगा बाइक चला के.
I will make sure that he will do the yoga date and then go to sleep.
Yeah, why not?
रात जगो for that yoga day.
रात भर बाइक चला के बैग भी अकड़ जाएगा.
Especially you could do it at a beach or something and then you see the sunrise.
It's beautiful.
या रात भर बाइक चला के बैग भी अकड़ जाएगी तो अच्छा थोड़ा स्ट्रेचेस करते हैं.
अच्छा, okay.
ये swimming होती है.
I like how he's like, I buy into it. Maybe I'll join in. I like it. See?
Yeah.
We've convinced thing. Acha. I think I know the answers, but it'll be fun to see. Handwritten love letters or spontaneous voice notes?
Spontaneous voice notes.
And I knew you were going to select handwritten love. I mean, besides, I remember during when you were doing Sitaram Unozu, you mentioned it, but not handwritten love letters for you? Not so much?
Spontaneous
Voice
voice notes.
notes.
Because if you have a good voice like this, then why not?
कुछ वॉइस नोट और सिंगल लोगों के लिए आपके वॉइस में सुना दो सिंटे बार कोई वॉइस नोट नहीं है कुछ अच्छी कुछ सुना दीजिए प्लीज
सुना देना है
इन दिस मोड दैट यू सेड इट्स गुड कुछ प्यारी बातें सुना दो
ऐसे तो नहीं हो If you're missing out on love, don't find love. Don't go looking for it because it's right here. And yeah, I mean, yeah, that's what I did.
Remind me of Keanu Reeves when they ask if you don't fight for your love, what kind of a love lover are you? Vibe hai. Okay. So you said handwritten love letters. I know it's supposed to be something that's obvious, but I want you to still explain why you chose that.
Because I feel like there's so much thought gone into it, and I think what is the most special thing is not the letter but the way it is written. जितने आप mistakes करके जितने खून से नहीं please relax ये वो नसकटा आशिक नहीं है इसको ऑलरेडी प्यार मतलब हाँ कह दिया लड़की ने so I feel like these letters are something that you always can go back and cherish. वो voice note ढूंढने में आपको like chat delete हो गया, phone upgrade हो गया, it's gone. At least these letters are there with you for the rest of your life.
Baby, I know you had a long day. I just want to tell you that I'm missing you and good night, sleep well.
Sleep like an angel, honey.
Come on, doesn't it heal some part of you?
Oh, cute. Okay, street food crawl in Old Delhi or a fancy gala in South Mumbai?
Street food in Delhi or a fancy gala in Mumbai?
In South Mumbai, very specific.
Street food in Delhi. Yeah.
You want to tell why your choice is so obvious?
Because
उसमें feel है.
same time लगेगा पहुंचने में दोनों जगह. Yeah. Might as well travel to a new city.
I love that joke. Oof.
Act fancy. For a change, I'm choosing a different answer because I'm just tired eating street food.
थोड़ा ऐसे plan करो date,
Yeah, I
nice
just want
place,
like,
and like
be on the rooftop, feeling the breeze, and having a meal by like a candlelight or a lovely rose, you know,
why not?
dressed up.
Take notes. All Mrinal fans are sitting.
Yeah, there should be like some nice fireworks outside, which we're just looking at and feeling like, wow. Like,
I know why you selected this because you've eaten a lot of chaats.
you got it, Rani.
I'm a Puchka fan. So, okay. A social media soft launch or keeping it completely secret and only for you.
Keeping it completely secret only for me.
Yeah. So, keeping it secret only for me.
Understandable. Okay. Netflix and pizza or dressing up for a jazz club?
Dressing up for a jazz club.
समझा दीजिए ये यूनिसन में आंसर क्यों था बता दो यार देख लो आप केमिस्ट्री देख लो ना
पहले तो बोल
Because यार हम लोग हमेशा ड्रेस अप होते हैं हमारे किरदारों के लिए but it's fun to dress up for your partner and just take him or should take his respective for a jazz
Jans. It's a nice word actually. Jazz plus dance is jans.
dance like
yeah and just
jazz
just enjoy because music is something that brings two people closer and it's considered to be very romantic as well.
I completely
Pizza खा के क्या
I appreciate some efforts. Yeah, like it's nice to like take someone out and like on a nice night where you can dance and then later on just pick her heels while we are walking on the street back to
Oof, हमारा green flag. Green forest. Men, please take notes.
Yeah.
But he is
That's lovely.
so sweet. Okay. So now, tell me everything type of a relationship, total transparency, or let's live in the moment. Well, and let's not talk about what we've been through.
No.
Transparency.
Transparency, everything.
You want to explain in a line quickly why that is important?
That's a bond. That's a bond of talking.
किसी और से पता चले इससे better है मैं बता दूँ.
Yeah, exactly. I think everything should be like it's a bond you create when you've been through a lot of things. It's a very special bond. It's an emotional bond.
Yeah,
And
it is important to start fresh without any secrets or without hiding anything.
Absolutely. Interesting. Cooking a meal together, which can be a messy sort of a situation, if you're trying to create, or ordering in, but with thoughtful
Cooking.
curated menu.
Cooking.
Cooking.
Pretty obvious. Even फिल्म में भी clearly आपके किरदारों को कुकिंग ही पसंद है.
मुझे पसंद है ये.
हाँ.
She loves eating.
I have a feeling she'll give in to it later because अभी तो पता नहीं है मुझे इतना मैंने ट्रेलर में देखा.
I'm a great baker, by the way. I bake.
Yeah.
So you want to explain why did you choose cooking a meal together?
Because it's nice to create, like, mold the dough together.
So interesting. I like where this is going. Okay, Manhal.
See, प्यार वो होता है जहाँ
दो लोग दो को मसल रहे हूँ. दो दीवाने.
दो दीवाने दो को.
दो दीवाने शहर में.
मैंने आंसर सोच लिया अब क्या हो गया मुझे.
मैं भूल गई तुम दोनों के बीच में रह के. I've literally just forgotten what I was supposed to say. Yeah.
होता है.
प्यार वो होता है जहाँ पे यू क्रिएट लाइक यू कैन कुक फॉर ईच अदर, चाहे वो स्वाद में अच्छा हो या ना हो, लेकिन जो चीज़ प्यार से बनाई हो, व्हाई नॉट. यहाँ पे थोड़ा आटा लगा हो, कुछ जला हुआ पराठा या जला हुआ डोसा, या थोड़ा ज़्यादा क्रिस्पी जो पापड़ जैसे बन गया हो, बट कोशिश यही है कि बेबी वेट, लेट मी मेक अ बेटर क्रिस्पी डोसा फॉर यू. That's love. That effort to make it better so that my partner consumes the most delicious, yummiest food ever.
Very cute. So when our last do matching outfits, do you find them cringy and cute, or cute, like cringy but cute? Matching outfits, or you think individual styles? I'm not into that kind of
Individual styles.
individual style.
I believe that eventually you start kind of looking like each other. I mean, I really believe that.
That's true. They say soulmates have some sort of a thing, right?
Yeah.
See,
Actually,
she put that like exactly where I am.
That's true.
Change it right now. Yeah, see, you eventually start replicating each other. So
That's true.
that's inevitable. So let's not start with like the cringe of let's start dressing up like we'll say.
I would like to be
Individual style.
no
Cute.
cringy but cute, because sometimes if it is a public event or anything not similar but at least closer to the color palette.
color
ऐसे नहीं हो कि I'm in my neutrals and the person is like fully in jhatang pink. You know what I mean?
Ji.
Yeah.
Okay, fair enough.
Yeah.
Are you talking about the trailer launch?
No. Bichara. Okay, the last one is, would you rather be that powerful couple that everybody talks about in that party, or be that couple who just enters and sits in a corner and does their own thing? What is that
Both.
couple? Both, in some ways.
Both
Like,
cannot
there's a
happen.
power couple and just have our own sweet thing.
Okay.
Yeah, I think that would be.
That would be.
मेरे आंसर्स क्यों चुप है?
अरे तो मैंने कहा ना eventually.
So while I end this, of course, and then call Rin, please wish everybody happy Valentine's Day and tell them.
Guys, happy Valentine's Day. जो couple है उनके लिए happy Valentine's, जो लड़की है उनको happy Valentine's, और जो लड़के हैं उनके लिए happy Independence Day.
Wow. Do अच्छा film दो दीवाने शहर में.
हाँ, please.
This is full of romance, hope.
Yeah, hope.
Life. It's just a easy, breezy rom-com. So
Take your respectives and have a great time.
yeah,
Celebrate love in every way.
Yeah.
absolutely. Yeah.
Thank you.